friends, welcome back to Anu's kitchen. Now it's summer, we feel like having variety of snacks. Today I am going to show how to prepare murukku, which is very simple and even the beginners can try it. Now let's move on to the preparation. Let's move on to the ingredients. I have taken this as a measurement glass. You can use any measurement glass which is available. I have taken 4 glasses of rice flour. Now there is a preparation required for the rice flour. You have to soak the rice in water for about 2 hours and dry it under sun, and you can give it in the flour mill, and now the atta is ready. Now I have taken quarter glass of Thill, half glass of Urad Dal, quarter glass of split Gram Dhal, required salt, 2 teaspoons of butter, Hing soaked in water, required water and oil for frying. Start the preparation. Light the flame and take a pan. We have to roast the Urad Dal. First, we have to take Urad Dal and roast it brown. Dal is fried well and you can transfer it into a plate. You get nice aroma while frying Urad Dal. Now next you have to take the split Gram Dhal, and that also you have to fry till brown. Now the split Gram Dhal is also fried and you can transfer it into a plate. Allow it to cool for some time and you have to grind it in a mixie jar to a powder. Now take the ingredients into a mixie jar and you have to grind it to a nice powder. Now the Urad Dal powder is ready. I have sieved it and kept it. Even the rice flour also you have to sieve and keep it ready. Add the Urad Dal powder, Thill, then Hing soaked in water, required salt, light the flame, take a small pan and you have to take 2 teaspoons of butter, fresh butter, and melt it. Switch off the flame and add the melted butter to it. Now mix all the things well. Now add water little by little and prepare like a dough. Dough is ready. The dough shouldn't be too hard or it shouldn't be too loose. So you have to be very careful while preparing the dough for the murukku. Now light the flame. Keep a pan. and add oil. Now this is a murukku maker. I have taken the 3 holes, and before preparing the murukku, take some oil and apply to the sides of the murukku maker. And fix it. You have to close it tight. And take some dough. And keep it ready. Now, while the oil is getting heated, take a big spatula which has holes in it, and to that, to get the shape of the murukku, I am just applying little oil to it. Test whether the oil is heated. Take a small piece of dough and put it in the oil. Once it starts floating, then it is understood that the oil is heated. Now, you have to drop in the murukkus into the oil like this. Suppose you want big size of murukku, you can take a little bit big plate and give the shape of the murukku, and then you start preparing. Once the sound gets stopped in the oil, then it is understood that the murukkus are fried well, and you can take it out slowly, one by one. You can notice the sound is completely stopped now. Slowly you have to take it out. The crispy murukkus are ready. You can just see it. You can hear the sound. When you break it, hear the sound. Please do try this at home and give your feedback in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video.